Hi guys, this is Gary with R&E Paint and Supply, and repaintsupply.com is where you can find us on the web. Going to be looking at a new product made by Clean Strip called BullDog Multi-Bond Adhesive. And this stuff it's basically a hybrid adhesive that can stick to almost anything. Sticks to metal, plastic, glass, lots of different types of surfaces. And the cool thing about this product is it's very, very strong even when it's not fully cured. But you can use it for multiple different types of surfaces. You can use it for multiple different applications. You can use it for, in let's say a body shop setting, you can use it as a seam sealer. You can use it as an adhesive. So if you're trying to glue some emblems back on there, maybe you've run out of emblem adhesive and you don't have that available, or if you need something to go right away, you can use this product here to put that emblem back on. It's going to dry almost, it takes a little bit of dry time, but you can actually ship that car even though the adhesive's not dry because it sticks at like 3,000 pounds per square inch. Pretty crazy stuff. But I kind of want to show you just some different things about this product today. Like I said, you can use it as a seam sealer. So I'm going to apply some here. You know, normally you could tape that out if you wanted to tape that out. You could take an acid brush. You can brush it down to make it look like a brushed seam sealer. If you want to do that, you can do that option. And like I said, you can use it for a lot of different applications. Here I've just got two metal washers. We've not really done anything to clean these, but I want to show you just how easy it works. The other really cool thing I like about this is so you've got a can of this open and it won't go bad on you. Now, we'll come back here in a few minutes and notice I only glued about half of it. We're going to come back here in just a minute and see if we can take that apart. So also, you can use it on wood. Just like that. Stick it right together. Now let's come back to this. It's not quite set up on there yet, so we'll come back to that here momentarily. And the other thing that I really think is pretty cool, you guys know how heavy these cinder blocks are. We're going to apply that. Takes a pretty liberal amount. Okay, now take a cinder block, put that on there. Okay guys, now we're going to check our bond, and to the wood it seems stuck very well. Now we'll try our metal washers. Now it's still not fully cured, but I would say that's a pretty good bond. Now we'll check our blocks. Pretty heavy, and I think that's a pretty good bond. And want to also remind you that is going to be permanently flexible. And the other cool thing about the can, I don't know if I've mentioned this already, once you've opened this can, you can come back and still continue to use it once you close it down when you're finished, and that will allow you to reuse the rest of that can. So compared to a normal tube of seam sealer or adhesive, when you cut that thing open, you start using it, the whole tube is going to set up eventually. This will allow you to use the whole thing. So that's all I have for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you would please click the bell notification so you know when we post videos, and like and subscribe if you would, please. Thank you very much.